was a time of guessing, a time of fear and chance. Meaning felt elusive, like a shifting circumstance. Then a clearer pattern surfaced, quiet, firm and true, replacing superstition with what the mind can prove. No more leaning on confusion, no more waiting on fate. Understanding takes the lead, certainty takes shape. This is the line between illusion and intelligence made clear, where reason replaces guessing and direction conquers fear. Lost and steady in the background, guiding thought and choice. Certainty grows through knowing, and clarity finds its voice. What once felt unpredictable now follows ordered ground. Cause and effect reveal themselves where understanding is found. No hidden hand of randomness, no chaos left to blame. Each outcome holds a signal, each result has a name. When the mind aligns with reason, doubt begins to fade. Certitude replaces chance with choices consciously made. This is the line between illusion and intelligence awake, where wisdom ends uncertainty and conscious patterns take shape. No more drifting through assumptions, no more ruled by fear. Law, reason, and awareness make the pathway clear. Understanding brings direction, power rests in sight. When reason guides attention, the world responds in kind. This is the line between illusion and intelligence restored, where certainty replaces chance and trust is built through law. Clarity becomes the compass as awareness expands. Order rises from perception, placed within your hands, where understanding leads the way. Confusion falls apart, certainty begins within us. Knowledge shapes the heart.